You guess what letter that is.
K.
Okay, push the button that says K. Push the K button. Where's K? Very good. Now you draw it. There you go. Now push the paw button when you're done. The green paw. Very good.
Scout is digging all around his backyard to draw a surprise for
¿Son
you.
todos los regalos listos?
To see what he draws. Put your pen on the blinking
Pero
light.
ya hay otro regalo,
Follow the
Dios
blinking
mío.
light with your pen. Don't lift your pen until you hear Scout barking.
Miguel,
Follow
Miguel,
me.
¿qué dice en ese regalo?
Miguelito. Do you like it?